I'm so tired. My body is beat. My hands hurt. My arms seriously want to fall off my body. But I'm making progress. I'm making progress of all sorts. I just developed this new exercise that I am loving. So you might have seen my single leg kettlebell squats. Well, this is a more advanced version because I'm using lighter kettlebells, which is much easier to fall over on. So it requires you to be much more lightweight on your feet and use a lot of balance. So I'm stepping on one kettlebell, single leg kettlebell squat, stepping on the other, single leg squat, and just going back and forth until I fall off. Awesome for